Well, my dear students, the course is Labor Policy Pakistan, and the topic in hand is Focus of Punjab Labor Policy on Labor Welfare. Labor welfare basically relates to taking care of the well being of workers by employers, trade unions, governmental and non governmental institutions, and agencies. My dear students, welfare includes anything that is done for the comfort and improvement of employees and is provided over and above the wages. वेलफेयर से जो मोरल ऑफ द वर्कर है, जो मोटिवेशन ऑफ द वर्कर है, वो एट द हाई पिच मेंटेन किया जा सकता है. एम्प्लॉयज वेलफेयर includes monitoring of working conditions, creation of industrial harmony through infrastructural improvements that extend for health, industrial relations, and insurance against diseases, accident, and employment for the workers and their families, etc. जो ILO है, इसने लेबर वेलफेयर को डिफाइन किया है. लेबर वेलफेयर कैन बी डिफाइंड or understood as such services, facilities, and amenities as may be established in or in the vicinity of undertakings to enable the persons employed in them to perform their work in healthy, congenial surroundings and to provide them with amenities conducive to good health and high morale. My dear students, at present, workers are required to submit their welfare grant claims with the respective labor offices. These applications claims are verified by the labor officer of the area and then scrutinized by a tripartite district scrutiny committee constituted at each district, having representation from the government, employees, and employers representatives under the chairmanship of district head of labor department. ये सारी बातें आपको पंजाब लेबर पॉलिसी से पढ़ाई जा रही हैं और अगर आप चाहें तो पंजाब लेबर पॉलिसी 2018 को कंसल्ट भी कर सकते हैं. लेटर माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, जो डिस्ट्रिक्ट स्क्रूटनी कमेटी है वो अपनी रिकमेंडेशन जो है वो पंजाब वर्कर्स वेलफेयर बोर्ड को भेज देती हैं और आफ्टर ड्यू स्क्रूटनी और प्री ऑडिट ये जो केसेस हैं चेयरमैन बोर्ड को सबमिट किए जाते हैं फॉर अप्रूवल और उसकी अप्रूवल के बाद ये जो केसेस हैं वर्कर वेलफेयर फंड इस्लामाबाद को भेजे जाते हैं कि फंड्स जो हैं वो इस ज़िम्मन में रिलीज किए जाएं. My dear students, you would be enlightened to know that welfare board will ensure disbursement of welfare grants within a minimum possible time and early release of funds by the funding agency will be arranged. ये सारे जो सजेशंस हैं, ये सारी जो बातें हैं, ये पंजाब लेबर पॉलिसी में लिखी हुई हैं. इसके अलावा पंजाब लेबर पॉलिसी ये कहती है that establishing a system of online verification of workers' data from factories, district labor office, online verification of EOBI, PASI related record to minimize different tiers of scrutiny is also involved. Moreover, new welfare schools shall also be established for workers' children and efforts shall also be made to enhance the existing number of housing schemes, labor colonies, keeping in view the ever increasing number of registered workers. So these are the suggestions, these are the policies with regard to the welfare of workers in the province of Punjab by the government of the Punjab. Thank you very much.